So nth derivative type 5 inverse trigonometric function. Third question, y is equal to tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So in place of x you have to substitute something so that you will be getting inside this function tan or cot, so that you can eliminate tan inverse from there. So how to do that? So we'll substitute in place of x what? Tan u. This is a variable I am taking. X and y is already there, so in order to avoid confusion I have taken u. You can take any other variable, v, z, whatever you want. So that implies what? Tan inverse x will be equal to how much? U. Simple. So y, the function becomes tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square u, right? In place of x I have substituted tan u minus 1 divided by tan u. Now, you will ask me what is the intention of substituting, why we have substituted tan u. Because if you have the formula, if you have studied the formula, 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Secant square x. Or in other words, if you take the square here, it will become square root of 1 plus tan square x is equal to what? Secant x. That means this particular thing, can I write it as secant x? Here what is happening? Here the variable is u. So that will become secant u. So y can be further simplified as tan inverse of secant u minus 1 by tan u. Don't write secant x, okay? This variable here, it is secant u. Now I have to somehow get the value as for tan function. We don't have any direct formula for this. So I'll write this particular thing as what? Secant, can I write it as 1 by cos? Yes, we can write it as 1 by cos minus 1 divided by tan, I can write it as sin u by cos u. If you take the LCM in the numerator part, so it will be 1 minus cos u divided by cos u by sin u divided by cos u. So this cos and this cos could get cancelled. So it will be tan inverse of 1 minus cos u divided by sin u. Now this particular function I have to bring it in tan form. So what we can do is that can we convert this 1 minus cos u into some other function? Yes, it is quite possible. How to convert? This is very important thing that you might have studied. Cos 2 theta or cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a. Right? This formula you might have studied. So this formula can be further simplified. 1 you will bring here. So what will happen? It will become 1 minus 1, right? So cos 2a minus 1 is equal to minus 2 sine square a. And this if you take minus multiplies, it will be 1 minus cos 2a is equal to 2 sine square a. Okay. Now the thing is that instead of 2a, if I take the angle, if I divide by 2, the angle, okay, divide by 2, so what will happen? 1 minus cos a is equal to 2 sine square a by 2, right? This will be the formula. The same formula can I apply over here, because it is 1 minus cos u, here it is 1 minus cos a. That can be applied. So it will become 2 sine square u by 2, right? U by 2. What about the denominator part, sine u? We'll simplify that also. Here we have studied one formula. What is that formula? That sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a. Yes. If I divide this angle by 2, so everywhere I have to divide the angle by 2. Angle. So it will be sine a is equal to 2 sine a by 2 into cos a by 2. So what is the use of doing that? Because here denominator part 1 2 sine a 2 sine square is there, numerator, denominator, this will get cancelled. So sine by cos, it will become tan. So it is very easy for you to get the tan function, right? So we'll now simplify it. So y is equal to whatever the function was there, tan inverse of 1 minus cos u divided by sin u, that can be rewritten as what? Tan inverse of 2 sin square u by 2 divided by 2 sin u by 2 into cos u by 2. Now from here 1 sin 2 sin u by 2, 2 sin u by 2 cancelled. So what is remaining? 2 sin, sorry, sin u by 2 or cos by u by 2 is what? So y is equal to tan inverse of tan u by 2. Here tan gone, what is left out? U by 2. Now u we know it is nothing but we have assumed it as what? Tan inverse. So tan inverse x by 2, right? Now we can take the nth derivative. So nth derivative becomes what? 1 by 2, you can take it outside. Nth derivative of tan inverse x. So we have studied that nth derivative of tan inverse x is given by minus 1 power n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial into sine n theta into sine n theta. This is power, okay? Sine n theta, where theta is nothing but what? Cot inverse x.